and welcome to my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for this month of August. I know it's like the end of the month, but at least everything's finally here. I was waiting for the bag to show up first before I did the box, although for how long it took, I should have just done the box back when it came at like the beginning of the month. So we're just gonna dive right in. I do have some add-ons in here, so let's get this out first. August 9th, 2019, Bear Yourself. It has a different picture than the bag had. Celebrate, all of you. Pick a signature, or play up a signature look. Create the unexpected. Let natural beauty shine. Your Glam Bag Plus picks will help highlight the beautiful things that make you unique. So that's cool. And then we have all our previews. So let us dive in. So the first things first. We have an Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, which is always nice. Let's see here. Infused with dead seawater, this mineral-rich mask helps brighten and hydrate your skin while drawing out impurities. Does your sun-parched skin need a little extra TLC? This rich formula also works overnight to rehydrate skin. Tip, once or twice a week, massage onto clean skin until fully absorbed. Rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes for extra hydration. Wear it to sleep, then rinse off in the AM. And this is worth $33, which is more than the cost of the box itself. So even for this one thing, it is well worth it. And this isn't even the most expensive thing in the box this month. So I had like a really nice box. It says more on here, but when I get around to reviewing this, I'll read you guys that. Next thing in the box is... Oh, this was actually one of the add-on things that I spent points on. This is by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, which I literally just wanted to say that name. It's lip oil that's color-infused hydrating oil. And where's the color name again? Cherry Tomato. So it's a nice bright red, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, no mineral oils, no parabens, no phthalates, no talc. With safflower, coconut, and tomato seed oils, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, let's try that again, non-comedogenic. There, I said it. I was like, wait, definitely said it wrong at first. Say hello, we love hearing from you at Jelly Pong Pong on Instagram. A therapeutic lip conditioner that fuses all the benefits of a balm and gloss into a wonderful oil-like concoction without the gooey stickiness. Beyond extreme hydration, this lip oil imparts a sensual glow and a tinted coverage to help improve the appearance and volume and softness. The spacing is really weird on this box. Created with skin-soothing safflower, coconut, and tomato oils to assist in boosting moisture levels and elasticity. Directions: dip the applicator into the oil, glide it along your lips, then purse for an irresistibly luscious pout. Not doing it right now because it would totally clash with my eye color, but can I just show you it? It's beautiful! Oh my god, I hope it goes on that color, but can I just tell you? The scent of this literally smells like a cherry tomato. Like if you bit into one and sniffed the cherry tomato, that is exactly what it smells like. It's the biggest trip. I've never had a lip product smell like a tomato, but I'm kind of into it because I love tomatoes. So I'm like, okay, and it's bright red. Hell yeah, I'm into it. So there's that. We've also got, this was an add-on before I knew I was gonna get the full palette as an add-on, but this was with points too. This one wasn't paid for, but the palette was paid for. It's from the Moods palette by Lars Sanchez, and it is in the color Hair Flip. And it's, let's see here. It says the same thing that the palette does, so if you want to hear that, go watch the regular Ipsy Glam Bag one, where I showed the whole palette and read off the back. And it is this very pretty rose gold color. I guess it's a little darker than rose gold, but either way, I like it. And now I've got more of it, so yay! I don't know how pigmented it is yet or anything, but we'll find out when we get there. So there's that. Additionally, also with points, I got another Pixie by Petra blush before I knew what I was getting in the bag. This one is in Peach Parfait. I think it's a little bit darker than the Whisper Pink, But between the two, hopefully one of these two blushes will actually look correct on me. It'll probably be the Whisper Pink, not the Peach Parfait, but I will try them both. It'd be really great if they both work, but generally, whenever I've gotten blushes from Ipsy, they've always been too dark for my skin, and then I end up having to give them to my mom because she's darker complexion than me, but hopefully this will be one of the ones that can work for me. I'll go really lightly and just hope for the best. These are the most expensive thing in the bag. They are worth $50. They are the Fara Brushes in the Show Me Magic eye brush set. And guys, these, holy crap, they're beautiful. Let me read the thing first, and then I'll take them out and show you. Quality brushes changed the game. Created by a team of beauty lovers, Fara eye brushes create Luxy synthetic, or Lux, I don't know, I've heard it pronounced all different ways. Fibers to take your shading, blending, and cut creases to the next level. This 5-piece set is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so you can get that feel-good glow-up. Tip: use 10F to prime and 65 EM to apply base color. Follow with 35 EM to blend creases and 105 E to line and smudge. Finish with 15 E to define and set brows with powder or pomade. Yeah, that's cute, but they actually have the names on the brushes for once, so I know what they are, which is fantastic, because normally, like, if they're not labeled what they are, I have no idea what any brushes are for. I always have to look them up, and then I feel stupid. But these actually are printed on the brushes. Thank sweet baby Jesus. Come on, there's a fifth one in there that's stuck. Come on out. Don't be shy. I want to show you off to the world because you're lovely. Okay. So, these are so pretty. Even my dad, who does not comprehend makeup one bit and thinks I'm stupid for spending as much money on it as I do, had to admit, these are gorgeous. Like, they're kind of blue to yellow ombre with some green in the middle. I love these, and they look like little icicles, and just, they're so pretty. And you would think for the weird angles that they'd be harder to hold, but honestly, like, these angles, like, feel like they're finger grips on them. So, we've got a mini shading brush here, and these are so soft, by the way, guys. We have an angled brow brush, which apparently I've been using one of these brushes from the Tetris box as an eyeshadow brush because I'm stupid. This is a concealer brush, which I never would have known in a million years. This is a mini tapered brush. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Again, didn't know, so I've been using one of those as a blending brush because I'm stupid. And then this one is a pencil brush. But it has its recommendations. I was trying to think of the word recommendations of how else you can use these, so I'll play with them, we'll see, but I'm just really happy to have something so pretty and luxurious in my collection. So, give me a minute to put these back in the pouch, since, yeah, they're a little tricky with that, but I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got them back in here, and Be Beautiful, Be You, by Fara. It's so cute, I don't know, I love them. So that's the brushes. Next thing in here is a nail polish that I honestly thought came kind of foobar, but then I checked it online. Apparently the cap is supposed to be this way. Plus, this cap is a facade anyway for the real cap, so let me just put it to where you can see what I'm talking about. This is why I was like, dude, it got dented to all shit in shipping, even though it was like wrapped in hella bubble wrap. No, it didn't. It's supposed to look that way, plus that comes off anyway. So that's apparently just for looks. Why you would want it to look all dented and jacked up, I don't really know. But this is by Smith & Colt, and it's in the color Pillow Pie. And stuck in a beauty ret, this powder pink polish, it's really not though, is the Stuff of Dreams. Super shiny, chip resistant. And 8-free, aka no harmful chemicals, plus it's cruelty, paraben, and phthalate free. The unique handle was designed to look rough yet defined, kind of like real life. Rough yet defined, that's what they're going for here. Apparently. Tip, remove the gold handle. Guys, this is silver. Just Throwing that out there. This is definitely silver. To uncover a smaller, more precise one. After applying a base coat, brush on 2 to 3 coats, finish with a top coat, and make your mani last. Here's the thing. I mean, I'm gonna do a proper review of this, but this took 5 freaking coats to even get to this level. I've never had one be that not opaque, and even now, it's still streaky. Like this one especially, you can see in it how streaky and much you can still see through it after 5 effing coats. I'm not sold on this. Maybe if it were a darker color by the same brand. I won't write off the brand just because of this, because actually, I have an SE polish that is virtually identical in shade, does the same thing. So, maybe it's just something about this color. I don't know. Maybe it's just a really hard color to do, but this one just, it's difficult to get it to be opaque. And I'm not going to sit there and put on layer after layer after layer after layer after layer just to have it still show through part of my nails. I'm not sold. And then for it to be really fragile, like I banged my hand into something and like half the nails, like you could see where the polish just shattered. I was like, really? Are you kidding me? And this stuff retails for $18 a bottle. Like, are you kidding me right now? Hold on, let me see these messages. I have my phone on me. They're still typing. If they don't hurry the shit up, then... Okay, hold on. But yeah, that was just ridiculous for this. There's no excuse for that. I am not wild on it, but it'll get its own review. Trust. So, anywho, next thing in here is a lipstick. Yay! By a brand called Finding Ferdinand, that I've never heard of. And it's lipstick in a shade called Knob Hill Red. Now, I was very confused when I was first looking at this. And by the way, the value is $30 on this. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. What is that? Hold on. Dear Lord, what are they sending me? Hold on. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I was very confused by this one at first, but, let's read what it says in the thing before I get to that. This classic red lip shade earns a top spot in your purse for a pop of sophisticated color that instantly pulls a look together. And no more messy spills. The pop in and out feature will keep your bag pristine even if it falls to the bottom. Tip, switch up the shade by pairing this lipstick with your favorite lip liner, lighter or darker, to create a color that's just right. Fill in the lips with liner, then apply this as a topper. So I was looking at this like, I can see where it's in there, but, and then all of a sudden, it is the clicky pen of lipsticks, guys. Like, you don't understand. I'm that OCD person who drives everybody crazy with the clicky pens. So I'm sitting here, I'm probably gonna break it, but I'm like, oh my god, this is so satisfying. But anyway, now that that's out of my system, I had to do it on camera. I drove my dad nuts with it when it first came. He's just like, oh my god, shut up. I was like, I can't. But anyway, so here it is in all its gorgeous glory. Can we just... Oh my god, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to wear that. It's so gorgeous. So, there's that. And oh darn, guess I have to click it again. Anyways, so the last thing in here is an eyeshadow palette, which I'm very happy about. It's the $30 value on this. It's the Tarte Dream Big eyeshadow palette, which, oh my god, it's so cute. It's an Amazonian clay palette with high performance naturals. Let's get this puppy out. Even the inside of it is adorable. Anyway. So it's all very reflective and stuff. I'll try to not get my messy ass room in there. But, so there it is. Oops, let's, just keep that plastic piece there. Come on, you. Stay. It does not want to stay. So I'll cover up the mirror, but we've got beautiful shades here. Anyways, so the colors in here are called This Is It, All In, Go For It, You Can, Happening, Hustle, Ambitious, and a Risk Taker. And they are very cute and very pretty. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. Not quite sure why. But anyway, let me close that. So, from brunch to boardroom, this portable 8-shade palette is designed to serve unlimited looks with a mix of metallic and matte. Formulated with Amazonian clay, the non-chalky powder blends like a breeze and controls oily lids, plus it's 100% cruelty-free. Perfect for me! Super oily lids that love to eat eyeshadow, eyeliner, anything. So, anything that can absorb that is fabulous. Tip: use these motivationally named shades to line, crease, and transition so you can quickly create a complete eye look. Well, I am in love with this, just let me tell you. I really, really like it. But this was the one that on the Ipsy subreddit, I saw somebody's came smashed all this shit to the point where it was unusable. I, died inside a little bit seeing how bad off that was, and then I was paranoid for mine, but oh god, what if mine comes the same way? But thankfully it didn't. Nor did my Moods palette in my bag. So, thank god I lucked out on one thing, but I felt so bad for that one person. Even though Ipsy did replace their palette that came all smashed, but still, made me sad. Anyways, that was the last thing I got in the box for this month, so luckily, since it's almost the end of the month, that means next month's will be coming anytime now. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below about anything at all. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more down below. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. So anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.